If you like to receive gifts from Bokson Hopia Pampanga, my wife is gonna love this for sure. Lubao kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Pampanga community, and that is you guys. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Bokson Hopia, and I remember every afternoon, ito yung mini-merienda namin talaga. They sent us 5 flavors. First off, they have this Monggo flavor. They also have Kundol flavor, ube flavor, Yema flavor, and Baboy flavor. So, let me taste first yung kanilang Monggo flavor. Oh, wow! Yung parang pinaka-bread niya is very sticky, it's moist, and then not too sweet on the filling yung munggo natin. Gusto kong sundan dito sa Kundol flavor. So yung Kundol natin, again, yung nakagisnan na natin talaga to na flavor is medyo savory siya and at the same time still sweet. Wow, okay. I wanna move on dito sa ube flavor nila. Good thing to mention, no? They are actually acknowledged by BTI. Ang sarap, grabe. You can, enjoy them as is. Another ube flavor for me. Next is yung baboy flavor. I don't know how they come up with this kind of feeling. I don't see any parang yung actual meat in it, pero they have managed to make it this way. Yung mga feeling nila na ganito. So talagang mabigat sila sa tiyan and mabubusog ka sa mga kakatikim pa lang nila. So this is the last flavor. This is the Yema flavor. My wife is gonna love this for sure. The Yema is gooey. This is stickier. They are open for resellers, so if you are interested, make sure to check out their fan page, Bokson Hopia Pampanga. So there you have it, guys. What a great way to spend the afternoon for me. Might as well experience it. If you want to know more about Bokson Hopia, make sure to check out their fan page. And if you want to receive free gifts from them, make sure to check out yung mga mechanics natin on how you can actually get a free gift from Bokson. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Enjoy one of the prides of Lubao. This is Bokson's Hopia Pampanga. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, stay safe. Peace out.